Assalamu alaikum beautiful viewers. Today I'm sharing my version recipe for mango mojito, non-alcoholic, and it's super good and delicious. So let's get started. For mango you can use the two mangoes, fresh mangoes, or you can use the frozen mango as well. I'm using here a frozen mango and I'm using 2 cups. We also need 1 lemon juice, and you can use the club soda, but I'm gonna use a Sprite today. You can use 7-Up as well or club soda. 1 cup of ice, 1 cup of water, of course mint leaves, and I'm gonna use here pinch of black salt and pinch my favorite chaat masala. That's optional if you would like to use it. So firstly I'm gonna add my 1 lemon juice, and I need 1 cup of water. I'm gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons sugar, and here my mint leaves. I'm gonna add, you can add maybe 5 mint leaf, pinch of black salt, small lemons, I'm gonna add some mint leaves. Take any wood stick, just look at this. Ice. So simply I'm gonna add this mango mixture. And take any soda that you would like. I'm using Sprite. Delicious. Now I'm gonna add my chaat masala. Delicious and refreshing mango mojito is ready to drink. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and like my video. And next time I'll see you with another delicious recipe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.